Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel WoodandStuff with another fantastic idea. Today I'm going to talk to you about this hose right here that's leaking all over my patio. That's right, it's broken. And it's broken because my dumb self left it plugged in to the water spigot. Is that a thing, plugged in to the water spigot? Anyway, I left it on. It built up pressure and a bubble formed. And guess what? My kids saw it, thought it'd be fun to poke it, and ta-da, here we are with a broken hose. But no worry, I'm going to show you how you could fix this for less than $6. Check this out. Hey, just a quick heads up before we dive in. If you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Also, I've included links to all the products and tools featured in this video in the description below. Check them out if you're interested, and hey, thanks in advance for all your support. So this is going to be a short video, shouldn't take very long to make this repair. Let's just walk through this together. First, I'm going to use an impact drill because I think it'll make it easier to torque the screws down for this repair part. Next is the repair part itself. I'm going to provide a link below where you can get this. Next, we're going to use some Vaseline as a lubricant so that I can get the male portion of this repair piece into the hose easily. And then I'm going to use this Husky pipe cutter to cut the hose and make short work of it. Alright, so first things first, we have to cut the hose. And as you can see here, that's the damage done to the hose. And we're going to go ahead and cut it off about there. So we're going to go ahead and grab the pipe cutter here that I am now using to cut the hose. It does a really good job. See how easy that was? So now we've got a nice straight cut. I'm going to go ahead now and grab the Orbit Mender. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of its packaging here real quick. Alright, what do we have here? So we've got two parts. It looks like a collar and the male portion that goes inside of the hose, as you can see here. So let's disassemble this collar. Looks like there's just a couple of screws. Unscrew that. It comes apart pretty easily. Now we're going to go ahead and lube up the male portion of the Orbit. That'll make it easier to slide inside of the hose. Don't forget some napkins to wipe yourself clean. Anyway, go ahead and it slides right in just like that. Now you're going to go ahead and mate up the two pieces of the collar. You're going to put them over the hose. Then you're going to go ahead and just take the screws and put them right back. And like I said earlier, using the impact drill really made it easy to torque these screws down nice and tight. And 1, 2, 3, it's done. Very simple, very easy. Now let's go ahead and move to the next part, and that's testing this puppy out. Now to test this puppy out, I've gone ahead and gotten my 12-year-old son to assist me with this. And here we go. Let's see how we do here. Damn! Super nice. For less than $6, I got this hose repaired. And as you can see, there's no leaks other than what's coming out of the front of the sprayer. Has nothing to do with the repair that was just made. And for less than $6, this is an awesome fix. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks here at WoodandStuff. See you next time.